house, and welcome back. We are excited to be back in action. We took a little bit of time off. We actually had some software difficulties, but Chef wanted to spend a little time, a little R&R if you know what I mean. He also wanted to spend a little time with Little Chef there, so we all had some time to rest, and we wanted to get back into it. We have some new software finally. It's up and running, and we're excited. We got some new menus, we got some new meals and everything, and you know what? It's time to get cooking again. So we have a great dish. It's chicken and broccoli. You probably heard of it. It's a classic. We think you're going to really enjoy it. It's very simple to make. It's very cost effective. So let's go ahead and get cooking. The first thing you do is start off with a bowl and put some chicken broth in there, and then a little sesame oil, and then some finely chopped ginger, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of honey, some soy sauce, and then of course some cornstarch, and you're going to whisk that all together. Don't forget, all the ingredients and the measurements will be listed down below. You're going to go ahead and get some thinly sliced chicken breast cutlets, and you're going to just wash those and cut them up into small pieces. Put them in a pan with about a tablespoon of oil, and let's cook that chicken up. We want to make sure it's all fully cooked. And then when the chicken is nice and golden brown and fully cooked through, we're going to take it out. And then we're going to go ahead and put our broccoli in there. Looks like Chef's got some fresh broccoli there. He's now going to add his wet ingredients to the broccoli, and he's going to bring this up to a simmer with the lid on for between 2 and 3 minutes. You want this to simmer for several minutes. After it's simmered and you mix it around, you're going to go ahead and add that fully cooked chicken in. Now you're just going to mix it around again. Keep letting it cook on medium heat for several minutes till it thickens up, and plate it up. Now, we use regular white rice, but you can use noodles, whatever base you want. It's dealer's choice. We're gonna go ahead and throw some sesame seeds on top, and then there it is. Not bad, huh? For a first video, kept it under a couple minutes. Chicken and broccoli. Delicious, nutritious, very simple, cost effective. We hope you like this, and again, play around with it, change up the ingredients if you wish, but for the most part, this was a great recipe during the week. Thanks so much for all your love and support. We are back, we're excited, and don't forget, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.